So here's my humidifier that we bought. I'll just turn this off. And we'll take the lid off. We'll just take the tank off. Set it down here in the sink. And this lid, this is the problem. See, it's got this little valve in the lid. Along the back side of that valve is a little seal. So let me take this off here. Set the camera down. Well, if you press the little valve, see the little valve? See this little seal here? That's the problem. So what I done was I put just a little bit of Vaseline on the back side of this valve, and that will seal the tank from leaking too much water. So you just take this part here, put that back in your cap, put this back on your tank, we'll set this down on the bottom part. That's your diffusion tray. Put the lid back on. And then we'll turn it on. And see, what it was doing was this tank was letting too much water from the tank down into the tray, or your diffusion tray, and it was actually leaking between the tank and the tray, and there was a bunch of water all over the floor. So I immediately unplugged it and brought it in here, and I was looking at the lid that goes to the tank and figured out that that's what the problem was that little valve inside the lid was leaking. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments section. And if you wouldn't mind, leave me a thumbs up on that. Hopefully this helps you guys out. It'll save you from having to return it. Usually that's what the problem is. But a lot of people, I understand, they don't feel like messing with it. They just rather empty the humidifier out and send it back. I totally get that. But for me, I'd like to learn and understand what the problem is, and that's what I figured out was a problem. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and you guys have a good day. Thank you.